what is your
Yeah, I know. I want to see.
Really?
I will see.
Okay. This bottle is of a lane, but the water is headed from our technology, that is Aqua Pure Water Technologies. You're from Kerala?
Yes.
Where in Kerala?
Cotton.
Cotton, same.
Yes.
Yeah. So you are real brother to Mr. Vivin?
No, it's my first cousin.
First cousin. Chacha Dad Bhai, Chacha ke beta. Great. This is your tap water, this is your water, this is from my technology. Can you differentiate any in these three classes, which is good, which is bad, or all three look same? All three look same.
Yeah.
And some people, what they are doing in UAE, they just refill your bottle water with tap water and saying it's pure mineral water. It also happens in UAE, and I prove for this also in my file that I'm going to show you very soon. The thing is, in UAE, the source of water is the only one, that is seawater. Seawater is not for drinking purpose. So UAE government has adopted chlorination method for desalination or purification. And with the chlorination method, huge amount of chlorine is placed in tap water, and that chlorine causes too much harm for human body, human hair. Cause hair fall is very common here in UAE. That is mostly because too much chlorine there in that. And not only this chlorine. उर्दू हिंदी समझ लेते हैं आप भी चेक इंग्लिश बेटर हो गया वैसे आप भी चेक खलीफा मेडिकल सेंटर में होता है हाँ सो चेक खलीफा मेडिकल तो काफ़ी सारे लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर एंजॉयिंग इट अब इंडिया से हैं तो एक्वागार्ड के बारे में ज़रूर जानते होंगे आधा इंडिया का एक्वागार्ड यूज़ कर रहा है दिस इज रियली नीड ऑफ अ फैमिली नॉट अ लग्जरी तो यहाँ पे कुछ लोग टैप वाटर से भर के ये बेच रहे हैं बॉटल वाटर टैप वाटर भरा और जस्ट फिल इट विद टैप वाटर एंड सेलिंग इट प्योर मिनरल वाटर हाउ लॉन्ग यू हियर इन यूएई
8 years.
8 years सेम इन अबू धाबी और पिछले 8 सालों में कभी आपने देखा कि आपके अंडरग्राउंड या ओवर टैंक की सफाई हो रही हो कब से हैं इस बिल्डिंग में
No, it's only from January this year.
January this year. It's a new building, or totally new area.
New building.
Oh, great. So, last 8 years you haven't seen this cleaning and washing of underground tank. और जिस पाइप से पानी आ रहा है, the pipe with water is coming is said to be 40-50 iron pipe. Must contain some rust particles. Also, that they cannot see the naked eye. That I'm going to show you very soon. You will see and then decide. वैसे यहाँ पे किस पर्पज में ये टैप वाटर यूज करते हैं यहाँ यूएई में for what purpose are you using your tap water?
For washing, bathing, and this thing.
Cooking?
Cooking, no, I use bottled
Water, that's great. As you are also in a hospital, you must be health conscious people. And I guarantee you, Mr. Tom, after seeing this demonstration, you will not use tap water even for washing your food stuff. This is your bottle water, right?
Yes.
And which bottle are you using?
This is First Gulf.
First Gulf. So how many bottles in a week are you using?
I think we use maybe 2 in a week.
2 bottles in a week.
Yeah.
So 2 or 3 bottles in a week.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a 5-gallon plastic, the big one.
Yeah,
Big bottle.
big one.
It's a plastic bottle, Mr. Tom. And what do you think about plastic bottles? Plastic is good for human health.
No, glass is better.
We all know plastic is not good. We have no option. We have to go with the plastic bottle with some mental satisfaction as compared to diabetes better. That's why we go with it. अगर कोई tap water से भर रहा है, if somebody refill your bottle water with tap water, we never know. It happens in UAE. And see if this bottle or the big one, if the bottle exposed to sunlight, it can cause bacteria. In the bottle, the bacteria never die. They keep fertilizing inside the bottle. In last 8 years, have you seen cleaning like any grocery? You keep this 5-gallon bottle inside the store. They're all keeping outside. All those bottles must expose sunlight. No option. We all know plastic is not good. And you must have seen this expiry date on each and every bottle's neck. This expiry is of 1 year. So what do you think? The water which is in any bottle, is it really fresh?
No.
It's a store water. For the storage, they have to use some artificial preservative synthetic minerals, and these artificial preservative synthetic minerals are same as smoking. If a person who smoked for the last 15-20 years and said nothing happened to me, does it mean smoking is good? It is injurious, means injurious. And this is the same case. We know. अब आपका घर इतना साफ सुथरा है because you have the family. Have you seen a bachelor house? A bachelor house where only the bachelors are there, no family.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, and that house is so clean like this.
No.
Bachelor house, store team, husband and daddy house, you can find out so many cockroaches, so many bugs over there. And they are also using the same water they are using. They also have no option. They keep the bottle for long. Those cockroaches and bad bugs go inside the bottle and leave their germ inside it. If the bottle not washed properly, application of WHO can come up into your house. You never know. It may have some germs from cockroaches and bad bugs. Maybe may not be. Chances are there. And that I'm going to show you very soon how good of a tap water, bottle water, how good of a technology water is. So regarding this tap and water, I have some paper clips, some statement from head of the department, and a simple practical test is also there that I am going to perform in front of you. You will have to see everything very closely, monitor very closely, and then decide what to do next. But this is not a heater. We just pass current through the water. When we pass current, it disturbs molecules of water, separate H2O, and then you can see what is in between H and O, that is TDS, total dissolved solid, which is there in the water that you cannot see with your naked eyes. All that lab technicians we have with electrolysis with them to find out the quality or TDS of the water. First of all, in your test, the water come back to magic water. And you can test this water in laboratory also. Laboratory ले जाइए, पानी दीजिए, 3-4 दिन के बाद रिपोर्ट मिलती है, 300-400 ग्राम लेते हैं. दिस इज ऑन हैंड रिपोर्ट ऑन वाटर कि क्या अच्छा, कितना बर्फ, क्या हम आपको दे रहे हैं और क्या आपके यहाँ आ रहा है. So after seeing each and everything, Mr. Tom, if you think this is need of your house, you are satisfied and 100% you want to go with this, yes, Nadeem, this is 100% of my body, you want to go with this, give me straightforward or a blunt answer, yeah, no problem. Right? After seeing each and everything, if you think this is need, you are satisfied, you want to go, straightforward answer, yes or no. Okay? Vivin ji? Right now? Done? Kottayam in Karachi. I'm from Karachi, Pakistan, and you are from Kerala, Kottayam. One of my customers, Dr. Raman Suresh Babu, his kidney is passless. For the last 7 years, he is using my technology, he is enjoying my technology. And till this end, यहाँ तक हम इस पानी को साफ करते हैं. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि कहाँ तक थोड़े बहुत पार्टिकल्स पानी में आने चाहिए, बट जो क्वालिटी हम आपको दे रहे हैं किस हद तक जाते हैं. इसलिए कि अगर कोई किडनी पेशेंट है ना, तो उसको थोड़ा सा लो टीडीएस के पानी चाहिए, वो भी आपको बताते हैं. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यू टेक वाटर एंड सी व्हाट इज इन दैट. इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस, व्हेन यू पास करंट टू द वाटर, इट डिस्टर्ब्स मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड यू विल सी क्या कुछ मौजूद है. इनवाइट इज नॉट इवन फॉर बाथिंग. नहाने के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. हाउ इट इज गुड फॉर कुकिंग एंड वॉशिंग. दिस वन इज योर टैप वाटर. So here we just pass current. When you pass current, it disturbs molecules of water, separate H2O, and then you can see what is in between H and O, that is TDS, and you will see it by yourself. क्या है, क्या नहीं है. That I will explain in detail to you. And let it be. I have to read some paper clips and a statement. And my first statement is from Khalid Sharif. Khalid Sharif, head of food safety section from the health department at Dubai municipality, said some companies have been caught cheating customers by refilling bottled tap water and selling as pure mineral water. It happens in like Khalid Sharif, what they said? That tap water is not good. And we have some filter in the houses. कुछ लोग टैप वाटर से भर भर के वाटर बेच रहे हैं. सो दे फाइंड ऑल दिस ग्रोसरीज, लेकिन जो बच गया वो कर रहे हैं, करे चले जा रहे हैं. एंड द स्टेटमेंट, टैप वाटर इज पोर्टेबल एट द सोर्स, however piped in the building and from the treatment plant can be old or dirty and make the water unsuitable for human consumption. So filters are necessary, said Sharif. You have any filter in your kitchen?
No.
That you using tap water for cooking?
Cooking, no bottle.
Sometimes you cook in your tap water also.
Washing, I don't know. Tap water sometimes. Maybe for rinsing, you know. Or
I guarantee you will not use this even for washing your food and stuff. And you will see by yourself. So. This is news from the nation, Gulf News. Lead out drinking water scam. This man is written that 5-gallon bottle of tap water and selling as pure mineral water. It happens in Dubai, Gusay, Shams Grocery. However, a supplier from Romana refused comments about this. Romana is a very well-known of UAE. But this person needs only empty bottle. Whatever the brand is, Romana, Aqua Blue, Aqua Fresh, Masawa, Oasis, whatever he gets, he will be tap and selling as pure mineral water. We cannot differentiate. That's why they are quite successful. After boiling, only some bacteria will die. Other contamination as is there in that. You cannot differentiate. ना तो सब कुछ इसमें रहता है. And see what is there in that. पीने के लिए वही 5-gallon bottle. But जहाँ जहाँ हम गए, हमने डेमो दिया. Now those families, they are using my technology, they are enjoying my technology. And why they are enjoying? It's only because after having this technology, whenever they open their tap, they will have pure fresh mineral water. And see, this is your tap water. Catch the glass. Catch the glass. This is your tap water that you use for washing your food stuff, but you never drink this water. You never cook in this water. Sometimes you cook also.
Nothing from there.
No. This is silver and this is iron. Check it out. No filament there in that. It is not because of the chlorine which is there. And these particles, because not being in washing of the tanks and because the pipe water is coming, it is like this. And do you think this is good for washing your food stuff? See? Water. Very soon they will all settle down on the base. Upper level will be clean, but downside is too dirty, too dusty, and that would be the same condition of underground tank. You will see by yourself. थोड़ा सा अच्छा है, लेकिन क्या वाकई इतना अच्छा है? अब देखते हैं क्या कुछ आपके वाटर बॉटल में मौजूद है. I will do the same test. And see. This is Aqua Pure Technology. It's a UAE-based company and we import our technology from Taiwan. दो चीज़ें जो हम अमेरिका से इंपोर्ट करते हैं, that I will explain when we come how does it works in detail to you. Gulf News: grocers must store water bottles properly. From properly, they mean to say to keep this bottle inside the store in a cool dry place. But very sorry to say, none of the grocery store will do the same. They just keep a bottle outside. All those bottles must expose sunlight. No option. What to do? And see, if a bottle like this in your car is become hot with sunlight, आप वो पानी पीते हैं?
No, not.
No, it is not good. But option कोई नहीं है. Carcinogenic है, causes cancer. मजबूरी ये है कि ऑप्शन कोई नहीं है. Especially in summer season when the big bottle come to your home, it's hot. क्या करें? मजबूरी. But no option is there, and inshallah you will go with this. And this is water and women health. Try to avoid this for any or every in the family, even for bathing. It is not good, and we are going to give you bathing solution also with this whole technology. Cooking, drinking, washing, and with this bathing solution is also there. These are all water companies. इसके बारे में आपको बताते भी हैं और दिखाते भी हैं कि क्या कुछ water मौजूद है. And why it is there, I will explain in detail to you. Same to all the water bottle, but see, it's a plastic bottle. Plastic itself not good. Bottle exposed sunlight again not good. Coming from bachelor house more dangerous, and sometimes water is more pathetic than tap water. Sometimes, not always. So today we will see what is the condition and see it by yourself. What is there in that? And see. Aquafina, Arwa, Musafi, Oasis. They are all multinational companies, big giant companies regarding water, and they are all using reverse osmosis process for desalination or purification of water. But they are doing this on commercial base, and because the commercial base, they have to use some artificial preservatives and synthetic minerals, and each and every company has their own separate composition. We are doing the same reverse osmosis process, we install same technology in your kitchen for domestic purpose use, and after having my technology 24/7, whenever you open your tap, जो पानी आपको मिलेगा that is pure fresh mineral water. No additive, no preservative, no chemicals, nothing. इंडिया से हैं तो एक्वागार्ड के बारे में जरूर जानते होंगे. You must be aware of AquaGuard, which is there in India. Eureka Pub is there, Kantaro is there, and this is very much modified from what we are using in India and Pakistan, because here the source of water is only one. In India and Pakistan we have rivers, lake, well, that I will explain in detail. So, lifetime consumption of chlorinated water causes hair fall, which is very common here in UAE. Then kidney stone due to high level of TDS in drinking water. TDS is total dissolved salt, which is there in the water they cannot see, but now you can see by yourself. So what happened in India, Pakistan, if anybody is showing a kidney, so घर के बड़े बड़े कहते हैं कि पानी ज़्यादा पियो, that is stone releases or reduces, you will be no problem with you. But what happened here anyway? If anybody is showing a kidney, he has to visit a doctor. And here, doctor has only one advice or one suggestion to a patient with a kidney, and that is operate it at your earliest. Here, doctor never said drink more because he knows what will make cause of a kidney. So he said stop it and operate it at your earliest. And Dr. Raman Suresh Babu, kidney specialist from Kerala, Kottayam, for the last 7 years, he is using my technology, he is enjoying my technology. It's a need, not a luxury. And see what is there in the water and why it is not good for long time consumption. It is the same as smoking, sir. You are a smoker, sir?
No.
Never? घर पे नहीं, बाहर भी नहीं. Great. Same like you. This is your bottle water. And see what is there in that. I will explain in detail to you. Again, little hot. Any idea क्या हो सकता है इसमें?
Same like this.
Little bit better, and you will feel the difference also. ऐसे particles, you can see the particles like this in my water also. But this is not because of the plastic, not because of the sunlight exposure. This is all the minerals that human body needs, which is there. ये particles आपको हमारे पानी में भी मिलते हैं कभी-कभी. Sometimes it will be there in my water also. But this is because of my simple question: is plastic is good for human health?
No.
We all know it is not. Water exposed sunlight is good. That makes water more worse. We all know. And when it's hot, it causes cancer. It's carcinogenic. And these particles on the top, that is top kidney specialist doctor to drink more water, they never said. And this is the condition of underground tank. Is it good for bathing? Even for washing, it is not good. And now, this is there. Sometimes these type of particles will be there in my technology water also. But this is not because of the plastic, not because of the not being in washing of the tank. This is because of the filter. It passes out to the filter, and it is all natural, pure mineral water. Now come to my technology. This is Aqua Pure Technologies, and see. you're going, when you go for shopping, fish, fruits, vegetables, you're going with the fresh one or going with the frozen ones? Mostly.
Fresh one.
Fresh one. And I'm going to show you the difference between fresh and frozen, nothing else. This is okay, this is good, but what we are providing you is excellent quality water 24/7 in your kitchen. Just open the tap, fill the glass and drink the water. So easy, hassle-free job. No more plastic bottle in the house. Is very good for the health of the whole family. Am I right or wrong, Mr. Bibin? No more plastic bottle in the house. It's very good. And let it be. I have to read some more. Asthma due to inhalation of chlorine during bath and infertility and reproductive problem due to chlorine byproduct action. So, Mr. Tom, avoid this fluorinated water for a new healthy generation. Because even for bathing, it is not good. And we are going to give you bathing solution also with this whole technology, cooking, drinking, washing, and this bathing solution is also there. See, Gulf News, 10 out of 5. As long as tanks and pipes are clean, 10 out of 5, it's okay. But at source, we are not going to the source for taking the water. The water is coming into your tank through these pipes. Nobody is there for the cleaning and washing of the tank, and these pipes, almost 40 feet iron pipe, must contain dust particles, virus, bacteria, which is there. We know it is not good, but what to do? Option 9. This is last picture, last news from Gulf. Danger to public health. And see where they store the bottles. They store in a garage. Is it a good place for the bottle? Good for the water, good for the family they are using. Don't be. We know it is not, but what to do? Option is not there, but now option is there, and I'm happy with that. So this is the option. This is Aqua Pure technology. This technology works in 6 stages or 6 steps. So how does my technology work? That I will explain to you after this little lab test. First you see this, and then come back to my technology. I will explain everything related to you, cooking, baking, washing, and with this bathing solution is also there. More than 85,000 families in India, they are using, they are enjoying it. It's a need, not a luxury, and it will be there in your house because you're using 3 bottles in a week. One bottle costing 8 dirhams, 8 or 9? 8 dirhams. So you purchase from company, from grocery.
From company,
They will
deliver
come.
here.
Okay, that's great. That shows, I told you, you're quite self-conscious people, but again, it's a plastic bottle. And when the company comes to your home for the delivery of the bottle, at least 20 to 30 bottles they have to take outside, and they are all exposing to sunlight. We know it is not good, and you will see by yourself what is the condition. This is Aqua Pure Technologies. Yeah, as I told you, more than 50,000 families are using, they are enjoying it. So enough time, or you want some more time for this?
Some more time.
नो प्रॉब्लम टिल दिस एंड यहाँ तक हम पानी साफ कर सकते हैं. मैंने बताया कि कभी कभी हमारे पानी में भी ऐसे पार्टिकल्स आ जाते हैं, बट दिस इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्लास्टिक, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द नॉट क्लीनिंग एंड वॉशिंग ऑफ द अंडरग्राउंड. दीज आर ऑल मिनरल्स व्हिच इज देयर. सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. अगर थोड़े से पार्टिकल्स आ भी जाते हैं उसमें परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन टिल दिस एंड वी क्लीन द वाटर. कि आप अगर अल्लाह ना करे घर में कोई किडनी पेशेंट है, देयर इज एनी किडनी पेशेंट, तो नहीं लाइक 40 TDS or 30 TDS is very good for them. So we will provide you that water also. No need to worry about that also. And so many customers, they are kidney patient, and they are using my technology in their houses. It's neat, not a luxury. So many people, they are working for Gasco, Zetco, Edma, Advia, so many, they are using, they are enjoying it. Chemical engineer, mechanical engineer, even water engineer, they are using. Subhashish Chatterjee, he is in Transco. He's here for the last 36 years almost, and for the last 6 years he is using my technology. KK Nair, he's all from Kerala. KK Nair is working for NDC, and for the last 40 years almost, he's also here. And for the last 7 years, he's using, he's enjoying it. It's a need, not a luxury, as I told you. And this is the difference between fresh and frozen, nothing else. You're going with the fresh one. Yeah, Pakka.
Of course, yes.
You will go with this. Yeah. This is Aqua Pure Technologies. And this is the difference between fresh and frozen. पानी ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है. This is okay, this is good. बट हम अब जो आपको दे रहे हैं, व्हाट वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग यू इज एक्सीलेंट क्वालिटी वाटर 24/7. हम पूरा इसको भी नहीं कहते. दिस इज ऑल्सो ओके, दिस इज गुड, दैट प्लास्टिक वाटर. लेकिन प्लास्टिक वी नो इट इज नॉट गुड. सेम एज स्मोकिंग. मार्केट में 2 dirham की भी सिगरेट है, 10 dirham की भी सिगरेट है. सेम एज मार्केट में 3 dirham की बॉटल मिल रही है, 5 dirham की बॉटल भी मिल रही है, 10 dirham की बॉटल भी मिल रही है. और अगर आपने एवियन का पानी देखा हो, 2 गिलास पानी आता है 4.5 dirham की.
ऐसा है.
अब आपकी बॉटल जो 8 dirham की आती है, इसमें 200 गिलास पानी आता है. और वो जो दे रहे हैं, is there any use of particles like this or like this? Nothing. But sometimes it may be there in that also. Only the yellow color. This yellow color which is there in all three glasses, the color of minerals, and the water which is inside our body is again yellowish in color, is not crystal clear but the same color. When you drink this water, it becomes part of your body very soon. It's so light and so digestive that you can give this water to 1-year-old child without boiling, without any hesitation. And this is the difference between fresh and frozen. Fresh and frozen. So, आप fresh के साथ जाना चाहेंगे, frozen के साथ जाना चाहेंगे, टॉम जी? Home Minister? इन 3 गिलास पानी में से कौन सा पानी पीना पसंद करेंगे?
Of course, this.
थोड़ा सा पानी पी के देखिए. Taste the water and you will like this. Give the glass.
Chata